Hello, my dear students. Welcome to the class. Good afternoon. Welcome to the class. Myself, Bhagyashree Joshi from Sankalp Learning Solutions. Yes, my dear students, in yesterday's class, we discussed about the quadratic equations. Yes, what do you mean by quadratic equation and standard form of quadratic equations, right? And also we solved some multiple choice questions, right? In today's class, we will discuss, see, this is the standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. This is very important. And two types of quadratic equations are there, that is affected quadratic equation and pure quadratic equation, right? Then nature of roots. If delta is, what if delta or d is discriminant of the quadratic equation. So delta or d is equal to b square minus 4ac. It determines the nature of the roots, right? So whether it is two equal real roots or two distinct real roots or imaginary roots. That's why we call it as a discriminant, right? See, if delta is equal to 0, then two equal real roots exist, right? If delta is greater than 0, then two distinct real roots exist. If delta is less than 0, no real roots. That means imaginary roots. Okay. Yes. So, and also we solved some multiple choice questions. Okay. In the last class, yes. So, and yes, these all are multiple choice questions. In the last class only, we have solved all these examples, right? So find the roots of the equation, find the nature of the roots, right? And also we solved some 2 marks questions, that is find two consecutive positive integers, right? So in today's class, we are going to discuss about the next problems, that is for 2 marks, 3 marks and 4 marks. Okay. Yes. So in this chapter, 2-3 marks questions are there, and also they are going to ask in multiple choice questions also. Okay. Yes. So find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. That means sum they have given and product they have given, right? See, sum is 27 and product is 182 they have given. So we need to find out the two numbers, right? Yes. So for that, consider first number. Let first number be x, right? So second number see, for example, if I consider first number is x and second number is y. So here they have given sum of two numbers, that is x plus y is equal to 27 they have given. If I transfer this x to this side, then y is equal to 27 minus x. Y is the second number. So what is the value of y? What is the value of second number here? That is 27 minus x. So second number I will take it as 27 minus x. 27 minus x. Next. So sum they have given sum of two numbers, that is 27. By using that that sum only, we are going to find out the second number, that is 27 minus x. It's 27. And product of two numbers, that is, see, product of two numbers. So first number is x here and second number is 27 minus x is equal to product is 182. Yes or no? So product is 182 x into 27 minus x. So x is the first number and 27 minus x is the second number. So x into 27 minus x is equal to 182. Right? Now, 27x So 27x minus x square is equal to 182, right? So minus x square plus 27x. Transfer this 182 to this side. You will have minus 182 is equal to 0. Now what I will do? In order to remove this minus sign, I don't want this minus sign. So for that, what I will do? I will multiply this equation by minus 1. Okay. If you multiply this equation by minus 1, what you will get? So minus into minus, it is plus. So this is x square. This is minus 27x and this is plus 182 is equal to 0. See, observe carefully. Now it is a quadratic equation. Why? Because it is in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, right? So it is in the quadratic form. So in order to find out the roots or two numbers, which method we are going to apply here? So we are using factorization method. So x square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. Now use factorization method. For that, a into c. 1 into 182, that is 182. So product should be 182 and middle term is minus 27. Okay, choose two numbers such that we should get product 182 and middle term minus 27. So which numbers we are choosing here means which numbers you will choose? That is 13 and 14. Yes, observe carefully. If I 14 plus 13 is 27. 14 into 13 is 182. Okay. So 182. Now, here I want minus. So for that minus 14 minus 13. Minus 14 minus 13 is minus 27. Minus 14 into minus 13. Minus into minus is plus. So 182. Right. X square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 is equal to 0. So here also make two groups. That is, here x is common. X minus 14 I will get minus. So 182 can be written as 13 into 14 or 14 into 13. So here also 13 is there and here also 13 is there. Therefore, I will take 13 common. Right? X plus into minus minus 14 is equal to 0. That means two factors we are getting x minus 14 and x minus 13. So x minus 14 is equal to 0 and x minus 13 is equal to 0. Right? So equate each factor with 0. So x minus 14 equal to 0 and x minus 13 equal to 0. Then you will have x is equal to, transfer this minus 14 to this side, that is 14, and x is equal to, transfer this minus 13 to this side, it will be plus 13. That means two numbers are here. What they have given in the question, find two numbers. Therefore, two numbers are 13 and 14. And 40. Right? Okay. Have you understood? Here we consider first number is x and second number is 27 minus x and sum they have given, that is 27 and product is 182. X into 27 minus x is equal to 182. So 27 into x minus x square is equal to 182. And if I rewrite that, then I will get one quadratic equation. Then by using factorization method, I will get two roots. That roots we call it as a two numbers here, right? So x is equal to 13 and x is equal to 14. Next, the altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find the other two sides. See, observe carefully. The altitude of a right triangle, that means right angle triangle is 7 centimeter. Okay. That means height is 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter less than its base. If you consider one right angle triangle, so this is a right angle triangle. Okay. So when you consider right angle, then it should be 90 degree. A, B, C. So altitude is 7 centimeter less than its base. If you consider, say this is base, BC is a base. So if you consider base BC is equal to X, then altitude or height of this triangle is X minus 7. Why? Because altitude is 7 centimeter less than its base, right? So if I consider base is X, then height is X minus 7, right? Next, hypotenuse they have given, that is 13 centimeter. Find the other two sides. That means we need to find out the X value, right? Value of X. So here one right angle triangle is there and we know one hypotenuse value and we need to find out other two sides. So here which theorem you are going to apply? That is Pythagoras theorem. Yes or no? Yes. So now let base be X. Consider base as X and altitude that means height, that is AB. Altitude, this is BC, is equal to X and AB is equal to X minus 7 centimeter. This is X centimeter, this is X minus 7 centimeter. Hypotenuse they have given, that is hypotenuse is equal to 13 centimeter. Now, here we are using Pythagoras theorem. Why? Because this is a right angle triangle and we know the value of hypotenuse and we need to find out the other two sides. That means BC value we need to find out. So by using Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem, okay. Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. What theorem says? Square of the hypotenuse is equal to the square of other two sides. So hypotenuse is AC. So square of hypotenuse, that is AC square, is equal to AB square plus BC square. Right. So AC value we know. Hypotenuse AC is 13 square is equal to AB value is X minus 7 whole square plus BC value is X square, right? 13 square is 169, X minus 7 square. So now it is in the form A minus B bracket square. So A minus B bracket square is A square plus B square minus 2AB. A minus B bracket square is A square plus B square minus 2AB, right? So now here A is X and B is 7. Therefore, A square is X square, B square is 49. So directly I will write 7 square is 49. A square is X square plus 2 into AB. A is X and B is 7. This is not plus, this is minus. Okay, sorry. Yes. Minus 2x into 7 plus X square. So 169 is equal to, how many X squares are there here? See 1, 2. Okay. So plus X square, that means it is 2X square. And minus 2 sevens are 14, 14 into X, that is 14X plus 49. Now it is in the form of quadratic equation. Right? Now, transfer this 169 to this side. So 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, 2x square minus 14x, Here minus 169 is there, here plus 49 is there. That means 169 minus 49. It will be 120 is equal to 0. Now, observe all these values. These 2x square, 14x and 120. All these values are divisible by 2. Yes or no? All these values are divisible by 2. If I divide by 2, 2 ones are 2 ones are, 2 sevens are 14, 2 sixes are 12, 0. That means x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0 I will get. Right? X square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of quadratic equation. So it is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now find out the roots for this quadratic equation. So how you are going to find out the roots? Again use factorization method. A into c is 60. Yes, so 60. Here also we are choosing two numbers such that product should be 60 and middle term is minus 7. Yes, tell me which numbers I am going to choose here. That is x square. If I choose 12 5s are 60. Yes, 12 5s are 60. 12 minus 5 is 7 and 12 5s are 60. Yes or no? Minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. Yes or no, my dear children? Okay, now x here also make two groups. So here x is common. So take x outside. What I will get in the bracket, that is x minus 12 plus 60 can be written as 12 into 5. That means 12 into 5. So 5 is common here. So 5 into x minus 12 is equal to 0. X minus 12, x plus 5 is equal to 0. Equate these two factors with 0. Then what I will get? X minus 12 equal to 0. X plus 5 is equal to 0. So transfer this minus 12 to this side. X is equal to 12 and x is equal to minus 5 I will get. Right? Yes. So what they have asked, find the other two sides. Other two sides means what? Hypotenuse they have given, and we considered base as x. So here we got two values, one is 12 and one is minus 5. So base or measurement, so values base cannot be negative, right? Okay, so I will consider only 12. 12 is a positive number, therefore x is equal to 12. Base BC is equal to x is equal to 12 centimeter. That means x value is 12. Okay. So altitude AB is equal to x minus 7. So x value is 12. 12 minus 7 is 5 centimeter. So altitude value, AB value is 5 centimeter. That means other two sides are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeters. Okay, so this question can be asked for 3 marks. Okay, yes, have you taken? Have you understood? Shall we move to next question? Yes. If you want, you can take down. I will wait for a minute. Yes. Over. Okay. Next question is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. Here, is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove? So, ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅದು rectangle shape ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Right? So, this is a mango groove. So, this is in the rectangle shape. Now, whose length is twice its breadth and area they have given, that is 800 meters square. If so, find its length and breadth. Okay. So first, consider length is twice its breadth. That means consider breadth as x, right? So breadth, or you can consider breadth as L. Consider breadth as L. Okay. Now, so length is twice its breadth. Length is twice its breadth. So if breadth is considered as L, then length is twice of its breadth. That means 2L, right? 2L. Now, area they have given, area of the mango group. Area of the mango that is 800 meters square they have given. Now, find its length and breadth. Okay. So, for that, see, in order to find out the area, first we should know the formula to calculate area of the rectangle, because mango groove is in the shape of rectangle. So, here we are using area of the rectangle, that is L into B, length into breadth. Yes or no? Yes. So, area of the mango groove is equal to length into breadth. Area of mango groove. Mango groove means it is in rectangle shape. So L into B, length into breadth. See, area they have given, that is 800. Length is 2L. See here, length is 2L. And breadth, we considered it as L. Yes or no? Now, 800 is equal to 2L into L is 2L square. So 2L square is equal to 800. That means transfer this 2 to this side. So L square is equal to 800 divided by 2. So 2 4s are 8. Sorry, this is 2 4s are 8, 0, 0. That means L square is equal to 400 you will get. So L square is equal to 400. That means what is the value of L here? Plus or minus square root of 400. Okay, then 400 is a perfect square number. Then square root of 400 is plus or minus 20. Yes, so plus or minus 20. So here that means plus or minus 20 means one value is plus 20 and another value is minus 20. Okay, so hige ನೀವು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ, what is the meaning of that plus or minus? One value is plus 20 and another value is minus 20. Okay, here we considered length and breadth. So length cannot be negative, breadth cannot be negative. So therefore we are going to take only positive value. That means here we are considering only plus 20. Okay, so L is equal to 20. L means we considered it is breadth. So breadth is L is equal to 20 meter, and length. See, length we considered it as 2L. So 20 into 2 is 40. 40 meter. So this is the length and breadth of the mango group. Okay. So understood, this question can be asked for 3 marks. Okay. 40 meter. So next. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. So here one park is there. That park is also in the shape of rectangle. Okay, one park ಇದೆ. ಆ park ಯಾವ shape ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ? Rectangular shape ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Okay, so perimeter of that park, that means perimeter means outer boundary of the park. What do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter is the outer boundary, right? So e outer boundary we call it as a perimeter. Perimeter is 80 meter they have given. And area, what is area? Area is the place inside the rectangular park. So place inside the rectangle, that we call it as area of rectangle, right? Here area of that park, that is 400 meter square they have given. Next, find its length and breadth. Here also we are going to find out length and breadth. So for that, consider length be L, and breadth be B. Okay. Breadth as B. Okay, length and breadth. Then tell me the formula to calculate perimeter of the rectangle. So perimeter of the rectangle is, if we consider, wait. See, if we consider this is L, this is also L, because in rectangle opposite sides are equal. If we consider this is B, this is also B. So 2L are there, 2B are there. That means perimeter of the rectangle is perimeter of the rectangular part is equal to 2 into L plus B, right? So 2L plus 2B, that is, if I take 2 common, L plus B will remain in the bracket. So 2 into L plus B. We know the perimeter of the rectangular part, that is 80 meter. Yes or no? 2 into L plus B is equal to 80. Transfer this 2 to this side. So L plus B is equal to 80 divided by 2, that is 2 ones are 2 fours are 0. That means L plus B is equal to 40. Now transfer this L to this side. Okay. So have you got my point? Transfer this L to this side. What you will get? B is equal to 40 minus L. Okay. So B is equal to 40 minus L you will get. Okay, B is equal to 40 minus L. Now, here they have given the area of the rectangular park, right? So, area of the rectangular park. Here I will do area of the rectangular park. That is 400, right? Yes. So, formula to calculate area of the rectangle, just now only we calculated, that is length into breadth is equal to 400 meters square. So, length L into B value. What is the value of B here? 40 minus L. 40 minus L is equal to 400. Yes, 40, L into 40 is 40L minus L into L is L square is equal to 400. Right. Now, minus L square plus 40L. If you transfer this 400 to this side, it will be minus 400 is equal to 0 you will get. Now, I don't want this minus sign. For that, I will multiply this by minus 1. Then what I will get? L square minus 40L minus into minus, it is plus 400 is equal to 0. Now, my dear students, here I am going to use discriminant. Okay. Here I am going to use discriminant. So what is the formula to find out discriminant? Delta is equal to B square minus 4AC. Right. So B square is, B value is 40. Now it is in the form AX square plus BX plus C, right? So what is the value of A? A is 1, B is minus 40 and C is 400, right? So B value is minus 40 square minus 4 into A value is 1 and C value is 400. 40 square. 40 square is 4 square is 16 and 2 zeros. So 1600 minus into minus plus. Minus 400 into 4, that is 1600 into 1 is 1600. That means what I will get? 0. So 16 minus 16 is 0. So 0 is the value of delta. Here delta is equal to 0. That means here I will have two equal real roots. Two equal real roots are there. Real roots are there. Right? So if delta is equal to 0, two equal real roots are there, then find out the roots. So how can you find out the roots? By, we know when delta is equal to 0, then it has two roots. That is minus b divided by 2a and minus b divided by 2a. Okay. So now minus b value is 40 here, minus 40, right? Minus 40. See here, b value is minus 40. So minus 40 divided by 2 into a value is 1. Here also minus of minus 40 divided by 2 into a value is 1. Minus into minus, it is plus 40 divided by 2 and 40 divided by 2. Here also minus into minus is plus. 2 ones are 2 twos are. That means 20 you will get. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 20. 20 and 20. That means length is 20 and breadth is 20. So this is the value of L and this is the value of B. Okay. Understood? Now, next question. Yes. So if you want, you take down. I will wait for a minute. Have you understood? Yes. Shall we move to next question? Okay. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. So diagonals of a rectangular field. Here also the field is rectangle shape. Okay. So one rectangular field is there. What they have given? See, diagonal of a rectangular. This is very important. Diagonal. Diagonal ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? See, if I consider this is A, B, C or A, B, C, D. If I consider A, B, C, D like this, then diagonals means what? See here, AC is the diagonal and BD is the diagonal. Consider one diagonal, that is AC I will consider. Okay. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. So if I consider BC is the shorter side, that I will take X. Okay. So BC is the shorter side, that I will take X meter. Okay. Then diagonal is 60 meter more than its shorter side. So it will be X plus 60. Okay. Understood? Next. If the longer side is 30 meters more than shorter side. Longer side is 30 meters more than shorter side. Then find the sides of the field. See, this is shorter side and if I consider this is a longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. So this is X plus 30. Right? So shorter side is X and longer side is X plus 30. 30 meter more than the shorter side. So this is X plus 30. Now, here, so shorter side of the rectangular field is shorter side BC is equal to X meter. So this is BC. Okay. So BC is equal to X meter. Next, diagonal AC is equal to X plus 60 meter. Right. Next, longer side CD is equal to X plus 30. X plus 30. meter. So next. So here we consider shorter side is x and diagonal is x plus 60 and longer side is x plus 30. Now see if this is x, this is a rectangular field. In rectangular, I have told you opposite sides are equal. Right? If this is x, then this is also x. If this is x plus 30 and this is also x plus 30 only. Right? So in triangle ACD, okay, so in triangle ACD or ABC, let us consider ABC. Okay, so in triangle ABC, AC is the diagonal. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the sides, that is x value. So here AC is the diagonal. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, right? So by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is diagonal square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Right? Then what is the value of AC here? See, AC is x plus 60 whole square is equal to AB value. AB value is x plus 30 square plus BC value is x square. Right? Now, see, this is in the form of a plus b bracket square. So a plus b bracket square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Yes or no? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So what is the value of a? A is x here. So a square means x square. B square is 60 square plus 2ab. 2a is x and b is 60 is equal to a plus b bracket square. This is also in the form of a plus b bracket square. So x is the value of a and 30 is the value of b. A square means x square. B square means 30 square plus 2ab. 2x into 30. Right? Now, x square plus 60 square. 60 square means 3,600. 6 6 are 36. So 2 zeros are there. So 3,600 plus 60 into 2. 60 into 2 is 120x. Okay, 120x is equal to x square plus 30 square is 3 3s are 9 and 2 zeros plus 2 3s are 60. So 2 30s are 60, 2 3s are 6 and 1 0 is there. So 60x. Now, x square plus 3,600 plus 120x is equal to x square plus 900 plus 60x plus x square. Plus x square is there. Right? See here, plus x square is also there. Now, transfer all these terms to this side. Okay, what you will get? X square plus 900 plus 60x plus x square. Okay. When plus x square, if it shift to this side, then it is minus x square minus 3,600 minus 120x. So now x and x square will get cancelled. Okay. So here x is there, here also x is there, and 1x square remains, and this is a constant term. X square, here minus 120x is there, here plus 60x is there. That means 120 minus 60 is minus 60x. So this is minus 3,600. This is plus 900. So minus 3,600 plus 900. What you will get? So 36 minus 900. that is 0072, 2700 you will get, right? So minus 2700. Okay, ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಉಳಿತಾ x square. So x and this is equal to 0. So now this is a quadratic equation. So this is in the form ax square plus bx plus c. Now by using factorization method, we can find out two roots. See, a into c is 2700. Okay. A into c is A is 1, C is 2700. That means product should be 2700 and middle term should be 60. Yes, 9 threes or 3 nines. 3 nines are 27. Okay. So 3 plus 9, 9 minus 3, that is 6. So 60, 90 plus 30. 90 plus 30. If you do 90 plus 30. 90 into 3 is 30 is 2700. 90 minus 30 is 60. X square minus 90x plus 30x minus 2700 is equal to 0. So here x is common. So take x outside. X minus 90 you will get. Plus here 30 is common. So x minus 90 you will get. So 2700 can be written as 90 into 30. 30 I have taken common. Minus into plus is minus. X minus 90 equal to 0. That means two factors, x minus 90 equal to 0 and x plus 30 equal to 0. So transfer this minus 90 to this side. X is equal to plus 90 and x is equal to minus 30. Okay. Yes. So find the sides of the field. Sides cannot be negative. So let us consider positive value. Positive value is 90 here. So x value is 90. That is shorter side. BC is equal to x is equal to 90 centimeter. And diagonal. Diagonal is AC. AC is x plus 60. So 90 plus 60. 90 plus 60 is 150 centimeter. Right. Next, x plus 30. That is longer side. Longer side is AB here. X plus 30 is equal to 90 plus 30. 120 centimeter. Okay, so this is the answer. Understood? Yes. So in today's class, we discussed about the 2 marks and 3 marks questions. So next question, next one question I will solve. That is, let's wait for a minute. Yes, find out the value of k. Okay, find out the value of k. Question is kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Yes, here find the value of k. Find the value of k. Now, what I will do? Kx into x is kx square. Right? Kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Now it is in the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a value is k here and b value is minus 2k and c value is 6. Now use discriminant delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay. So b value is minus 2k whole square minus 4 into k into 6. So minus 2k square is 4k square. 6 fours are 24k. Now, here 4k square is there. Here 24k is there. That means 4k is common here. That I will take outside. Then what will remain in the bracket? K square means 1k already I have taken out and 4 also I have taken out. So k minus 6. 4k into k minus 6, that's equal to 0. So 4k into k minus 6 equal to 0. That means equate these two factors with 0. 4k equal to 0 and k minus 6 equal to 0. K is equal to, if you transfer 4 to this side, 0 divided by 4 is 0. So k value is 0 and k is equal to, if you transfer minus 6 to this side, this is 6. So k value is 6. So this question can be asked for 1 mark. Okay. Yes. Hi, have you taken? Yes, my dear students. Today we discussed 2, 3, 4 marks questions, right? So shall we stop today's session? In next class, we will discuss some more problems. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much.